don't know the setup, this is my B20v, stock B20v bottom end, Kinetic head gasket, ARP head studs, built GSR head, Crowder stage 1 cams, 10 pounds of boost, B20v setup. And we're just gonna go for a quick POV drive because I don't want to leave you guys waiting too long without another video. And I made that my New Year's resolution this year. If I have stuff to film, I will be filming it. All right, without further ado, let's take her out for a spin. And we're gonna head to Mexico. Hit the whole crank windows. For all the OGs that used to hang out with me and we'd roll around together, y'all know I always be cruising with my damn radio. Shit's a lifesaver, especially on drives that are longer than 5 minutes. Always need some music. Obviously filming, I can't really, you know, listen to music, I'll get copyrighted. But hey, let a motherfucker live, son. Hopefully there's no Mexican policia hanging out around here. I mean, she moves out pretty good. Especially for a stock B series. I think it's revving to like 8K. Like it's getting all the way down there. My dumbass 17-year-old self put a sticker there, so probably hard to see on camera. But yeah, I mean she be getting down and dirty. It's hard to do back-to-back pulls in this car because of the heat exchange in the bottom end. But I mean it rips pretty good. I haven't really took it past third gear. I really don't have anywhere in Mexico to take it that fast. But I mean, she sounds pretty healthy. I wasn't gonna do that to the homie. Delivering package for your boy. Car parts, son. Have to rip it through the tunnel. Or the underpass, I'm sorry. I always call it a fucking tunnel. Have to. The car's pretty peppy. I'm hoping to get some good runs in before this motor lets go. So I'm really not trying to beat on her too hard, but she makes all the right noises. Loses a little bit of oil, but what's a Honda without losing a little bit of oil? You know? Probably wouldn't even know what type of car it was if it wasn't. I'm kind of busy here in Mexico right around this time, so it's kind of hard to get any type of info, but I mean, we did the oil pump. The oil pump seems to be working pretty good. maybe we can do a first gear here. Definitely going in and out of VTEC that time. I mean, damn, this thing fucking gets out and goes. These RAAAs really do work really, really good. Especially, you know, when it's dry out. When it's not so dry, different story. Where's my camper? I don't see my camper anywhere here. Shit. Tires all fucking dirty. Oops. Oh well. Guess I'm gonna have to get the dirt off somehow. You know what I mean? Off. Just glad I got you guys a couple good pulls at least today. This thing's been a pain in the ass, and it's still being a little bit of a pain in the ass, but it's a lot better than it was. I mean, it rips pretty good for a little eBay turbo on 10 pounds of boost. Yeah, this shit gets out.